Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What up? I'm so excited to be doing another mukbang today. I've got another chip bang. Woo! You know it's my favorite. So I've got the Chipotle Ranch Flaming Hot Cheetos. And I've also got my favorite, which are the Cheeto jalapeno. The cheddar jalapeno crunch chips. And I also, look at these. Ooh. So I've got the con queso on there. Queso, oh, give me all the queso. And I've also got globs of sour cream on there because the sauce queen, who I literally love and I'm obsessed with, if you guys don't follow her, you need to go give her a follow. I found out about her from Lexi. She's amazing. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started because I'm like so hungry, but I just use the Daisy sour cream in the little squirt bottle because it's easier. But yeah, so I literally layered these guys because why not? You know, like the sauce queen has inspired me because, oh my God. You guys. Oh my God. This is so good. As you guys can tell, I'm not talking, and you guys know that I'm a talker, but right now, it is time to eat. Sorry for loud, if you guys can hear it, which you probably can. The mowing. This is seriously this is delicious. Like I can't even handle it. I feel like I wish you guys were closer to me. And let me know, like, if you like my setup. If you want to see the food more. But I figured today, while I'm eating, I would do like a Q&A for you guys. But not a Q&A like question style, just like a little bit about myself. God. First of all, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I have an obsession with chips, clearly. But hear me out. So obviously you guys already know my name's Tiffany. I live here in Avon, Indiana. I was born in New Jersey, Trenton, New Jersey. Shout out to Trenton. Actually, shout out to Jersey in general. I love Jersey. If you've never been to New Jersey, you're for real missing out. So, we moved to Indiana when I was around 4/5. And basically we moved here because my dad's parents both passed away, so he didn't have any family because he's adopted. And my mom is from Indiana, so she had family here. You guys, I'm demolishing these. Look, these are 2 full bags, just saying. So, my mom is from Indiana. My dad's from New Jersey. We moved here. And so I went to school here my whole life. Kindergarten up. So my whole life I was a swimmer. If anyone's a swimmer, I'd love to know. I was freestyle and butterfly. I actually was really good. I went to state my freshman year of high school on a relay with some other girls, and it was the most amazing thing ever. Look at my fingers. When you go to state, you get to pick a song that you walk out to. And we walked out to the song Grills. If you apply Paul Wall. Grills. Okay, we had grills in our mouth. I don't know what we were doing. I was like, okay, I'm feeling this. It was fun though. But yeah, so we walked out to Grills. I was a cheerleader my whole life as well. Sorry if this is like not in your guys' view. I was a cheerleader. I loved cheerleading. Now out of high school, I went to college for like 2 semesters and quit because I hated it. And actually started working at a mortgage company. And I started working there and then wasn't paying the bills. So I actually started picking up serving on the side too. Because I like served my entire life, you know? So yeah. I feel like I should eat with my left hand. I feel like it looks better. Like you guys can actually see the food go in my mouth. Maybe not, I don't know. Okay, just a thought. So, I have 2 kids. One's 5 and one's 2, Jackson Ken's. Jackson will be going to preschool next year, which I'm scared. I don't really want him to go. Just because I'm gonna miss him, you know? But I know he's gonna have so much fun. I'm already getting full. I'm like almost done. I'm engaged. His name's Steven. We've been together for 7 years, 8 years. Obviously with our 2 kids. People always ask us when we're gonna get married and we're like, we don't know. We bought a house. And anyone that's bought a house knows how expensive it is. We're both like, but now I actually do network marketing full time. So I actually was working 2 jobs, 11 days a week. And I feel like you guys can probably hear all of that noise that he's making. It's just annoying, but it's fine. He's mowing the lawn, so I can't be too mad, right? But I was working those 2 jobs and I found this network marketing business, and that's what I do full time now. So I'm actually a work from home mama. I do everything from home, literally. It's crazy. I also started a boutique. It's called Herr Boutique, because my last name's Herr. Oh, I can't eat another bite. I'm so full. Oh my god. Look at that. Gonzo. In my other videos, you'll hear me say, like, I'm not gonna eat and stuff my face. If I'm like full, I'm full. You know what I mean? Because I still have to go do the rest of the day. Because it's the middle of the day. But, so, yeah, I started my clothing company, which is really, really hard. It's a lot harder than people think it is because you have to do so much work when you start like a boutique. So I haven't done much with it like recently. It was going hot there for a second and then I kind of just stopped. But my other business takes so much of my time and it's sometimes just hard to focus. It's hard to like be a mom, keep the house clean, take care of myself, you know, so on and so forth. Anyway, and then I started doing these mukbangs because I just think they're so much fun and I enjoy eating and I like to cook things that are like random and eat them, and I think that people, if they would try it, would really like it. So yeah, this Cheeto was perfect. Like the jalapeno chips with the chipotle ranch with the queso and the extra sour cream is delicious. I'm literally so full right now I can't even talk. I'm like I'm a dud. But yeah, so I feel like I'm all like soft-spoken today. I feel so like tired from the weekend and I'm also just really full and I keep saying that. But yeah, so that's really much. I'm 28 years old. Like I said, I started that business and we live in like my dream house. It's a lot of work though, like a lot more work than I thought it would be. Not saying that I didn't know it would be work, but whoo, trying to take care of a really big house and do all the things I just talked about is really hard. So, but my favorite color is pink. I love to spend time with my kids. I like to like do activities. Like I like to go bike riding. I like to go, you know, swimming. I like to just do like, I like to go outdoors and do stuff like that. I also love to read and I like people that are like, have really good energy, because I like really vibe off of other people's energy. And so that's like, I feel like a big part of why I want to spend time with people that just make me happy, like my energy and stuff. So anyway, I feel like this is perfect timing to shut off this video. I think it's like 17 minutes long. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you really liked it. And I hope that you guys will spend time making some of this, because it's delicious. It's so good. And just so you guys know, like, I obviously work out every single day before I normally do a mukbang, so that way I'm like good for the day and then I feel okay. And I normally probably won't eat anything after this. I'll just do a shake like for dinner tonight, so that way like my calories are, you know, normal. So anyway, I love you guys so much. Make sure if you guys like this video, you guys hit subscribe, hit the little bell notification, or hit the little bell so you get notified when I make my next video. Also hit the like in the comments. Let me know if you want to see me cook with it, if you guys want to see more of that, or if whatever you guys want to see. I would love to get your guys' input, because you are the reason why I'm making these videos. I hope you enjoy them. I love you guys so much, and I hope you have a good night. Bye.